Welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Keep for notes like a pro. So, first, download this application, Google Keeps, in your Google Play Store or App Store. Now, once you open it up, tap on Get Started. And now, right away, you will have here the home page. You will just simply select the plus icon on the bottom right, and you will have here multiple options that you could do. So, for example, I'm gonna go for text, and from here you will have a freedom to add some text, and pretty much it will be the same thing on the others as well. If you go for list, you will have a different interface. You could just simply provide the title and the category for the list, and you could just simply add an item. And now, after that, you could just simply select the plus icon, and you could do the other things as well. So pretty much over here, you should be able to optimize these tools. And now you could just simply select the three lines on the top left corner as well. And now you will have your multiple options. You could set a reminder, create a new level, and you will have here your folder of archive and deleted folders. And that's pretty much it. And when you go through these settings, you should be able to change the display options. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.